Hello, everyone, welcome back to Higaspot channel. Today this video will show you how to reset your phone without iTunes. Maybe you have forgotten your password, or tried several times with wrong password, then your iPhone is locked. And an iPhone unavailable or security lockout warning message will display on iPhone screen. Don't be afraid, as long as you perform a factory reset on your iPhone, these are not problems at all. If you don't like complicated methods like iTunes, then follow the 3 quick ways recommended in this video to reset your iPhone without iTunes. But one thing you need to know, resetting your phone will delete all your data and settings. Hope you created a backup before your phone was locked, so you have a chance to recover your lost data. This is the simplest way to reset your locked iPhone without iTunes. Apple has introduced a new feature with iOS 15.2. It is called Erase iPhone. If you enter the wrong passcode multiple times, an Erase iPhone option will appear on your iPhone screen. Using the Erase iPhone option, you can reset your iPhone without iTunes by just a few taps. However, there are some requirements to use Erase iPhone. 1. The Erase iPhone option works only on iPhone with iOS 15.2 or later. 2. Your locked iPhone should have access to the internet. 3. You should know your Apple ID login credentials. 4. You should enter your password incorrectly at least 7 times. If you meet these conditions, here are the steps you need to take. Step 1. After entering the wrong passcode for the 7th time, you'll see the prompt of iPhone unavailable or security lockout on your iPhone screen, and you also see an Erase iPhone option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Erase iPhone option. Step 2. Tap on the Erase iPhone option again. Step 3. Then you need to enter your Apple ID login credentials. This step will sign out of your Apple account, then the reset process starts. With the factory reset process completed, your device will automatically restart and the locked screen is no longer displayed. Remember that reset your iPhone will remove all your data and files on iPhone. But if you have a backup, you can restore your latest data and files from iCloud or your computer. When you come to the Apps and Data step during setting iPhone up, if you created a backup before your iPhone was locked, then you can choose Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac or PC option. If you don't have a backup, then you can choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data, and then follow the prompts for the next steps. If the first approach doesn't work, whether because of an outdated iOS or network issues, iPhone Unlocker is a quick and easy alternative to reset your locked iPhone. iPhone Unlocker is a powerful tool to reset your iPhone without iTunes and without passcode. And it has a super user-friendly and clear interface. It works with all iPhone models to quickly reset your iPhone without iTunes. Let's test how well this software works. First and foremost, you should download and install iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Open iPhone Unlocker and click the white passcode option on the first page. Click on Start to continue. Then plug your iPhone into computer with a USB cable. Click on the Device Connected but Not Recognized link and follow the tutorial to enter the recovery mode. Once detected, iPhone Unlocker will let you check your iPhone information. If the relevant information is correct, then click Start to the next step. It will download appropriate software for your iPhone. Once the download is complete, it will be directed to the unlock confirmation. You need to type in 0000 on the small dialog box, and then click on the Unlock option. Now you can wait for the iPhone Unlocker software to reset your iPhone. Once done, your iPhone will restart with the Hello screen, and you can follow the prompts to set up your iPhone. Find My iPhone is an excellent feature to find users' iPhone location when they lose their devices. But if your iPhone becomes locked, you can also use it to reset your phone remotely without iTunes. And there are some notes. 1. The locked iPhone 7 Plus should have enabled the Find My feature. 2. You need to know the Apple ID and password that your locked iPhone is logged into. 3. The locked iPhone 10 should have an active internet connection. First, open the iCloud.com webpage on your computer and sign in with the same Apple credentials as your locked iPhone. Then click on Find iPhone icon on the main menu to continue. Next, click All Devices at the top of page and choose your locked iPhone from the list. When a small box with 3 options appears, select Erase iPhone. When you get a prompt asking you to confirm your choice, click Erase. Then the factory reset process will automatically begin. After clicking on the Erase option, you may need an extra iOS device to receive the verification code. These are the 3 ways to reset your phone without iTunes. Hope this video can help you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to unlock iPhone. If you have more questions about iPhone Unavailable or unlocking iPhone, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.